You'll need 2 tablespoons of Cacao Bliss, 3 tablespoons of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of protein powder, and optionally, if you would like a little bit of a coffee flavor to your chocolate syrup, you can add about half a teaspoon of hazelnut instant coffee. So what you want to do is add all of your ingredients into some type of shaker bottle because you want to be able to squeeze everything out. So you can find something like this in the pastry area where the frosting is, or you can use something else like something that you would find in a sterile hair care area. I like to put essential oils in these, so I have like a lot of them on hand. So just take all of your ingredients one by one and add them into your shaker bottle, and make sure that little top is on good so that it doesn't go everywhere. And shake everything up. Oh, if you don't have a funnel, what you can do is just take a clean paper towel and rip off the tip of it and then insert that into your bottle. And that way you'll be able to get the dry ingredients in there. So that's perfect for your Cacao Bliss and also for your protein powder. I absolutely love having Cacao Bliss on hand because it's so versatile. You can use it for so many different recipes, not just for hot chocolate or hot cocoa. And big shout out to Cacao Bliss for sponsoring this video. And check out the last video that I did. That video was really good as well because it shows you that there's so many different things that you can do with Cacao Bliss while tasting delicious and getting lots of different nutrients. And be sure to check the description box below. I'll leave you guys some information so that you can get your hands on your own Cacao Bliss. Also, be sure to check the description box for the pancake mix that I used. It is a rice flour base and it's plant-based. And what you want to do is make sure that you're using almond milk or some other type of plant-based milk to whip up your pancake bites. Now for a little bit more protein, I'm adding some pumpkin seeds and a little bit of chia seeds. And here it is, guys, my chocolate covered pancake bites. Oh, these are so yummy and delicious. Be sure to check the description box for the full recipe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.